Ever wondered how to change your Bitcoin address on Cash App? In this quick guide, we'll show you how to easily update your Bitcoin address for receiving funds. To change your Bitcoin address on Cash App, first, open the Cash App on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, tap the banking tab, the icon with the house or a bank, and then select Bitcoin. Next, tap on Receive to get your Bitcoin address. If you'd like a new address, you can simply tap the New Address button to generate a fresh address. Cash App allows you to use a new address for receiving Bitcoin while keeping your previous addresses accessible in the same wallet. Once you have your new address, you can share it with others for future transactions. Just copy and paste or scan the QR code for easy sharing. In conclusion, changing your Bitcoin address on Cash App is simple. By generating a new address, you can continue receiving Bitcoin without any hassle, making it easy to manage your transactions securely.